Welcome to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our brand new units. This is a 2019 RX350 executive package in the eminent pearl white finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. Some of the features on this vehicle include premium LED headlamps, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lamps, front to rear park assist sensors, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, keyless entry with push start ignition, driver seat memory seating, power adjustable front seats, automatic high beams, power rear liftgate, heads-up display, heated steering wheel, panoramic side mirrors, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, hands-free controls, lane keep assist with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, 12.3-inch multimedia display with navigation and integrated backup camera, 15-speaker Mark Levinson premium audio system, dual zone climate control, wireless smartphone charging, heated and ventilated front seats, drive mode select, center locking differential, panoramic sunroof, black interior, power folding rear seats, and of course comes with the legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. For more information on this vehicle, please visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or call us to schedule a test drive at 403-296-9600.